So, good morning, sir. My name is Karthik. I'm Nilekani. I am from first year CS based department. So, my startup company name is Nexus. So, my product present name is Coffee Cup. So, product proposed name is Thermostal Coffee Mug. So, I'm mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. So, some people said that automatic and heating and cooling was the best option. So, second one is stirring up any liquid in it, and third one is digital thermometer for temperature reading. So, based on the empathizing stage, considering the feelings and requirements of the customers, many few features are added to this existing product. Like existing product name is Coffee Cup. So, what I am doing is Coffee Cup. So, futuristic name is I have decided Thermostal Coffee Mug. So, thermo means I have given some thermometer and other things in it. So, mainly it defines that, and stir means stirring of liquid in it. So some of the additional features to be added are like heating and cooling pad, mini stirrer, temperature indicator, etc. So this is my prototype stage. So small sketch of my product, how it should be looking at. So thank you, sir.